Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact prescribed dose and any contraindications with your clinician. This matters because oral Minoxidil affects blood pressure and hair growth differently than topical formulations. Once done, take the tablet with a small meal to reduce stomach upset and improve absorption. Make sure to log the time and dose in a medication app or calendar. You should avoid abrupt changes. Stick to the same time each day to stabilize blood levels and to track effects accurately over weeks. You now focus on the ongoing process. Monitor your blood pressure and pulse at home weekly for the first month, because Minoxidil can lower vascular resistance and cause tachycardia. Once you have baseline readings, compare them and report significant drops or rises to your clinician. Make sure to photograph the scalp every 4 to 6 weeks under consistent lighting so you can objectively assess progress. If you notice excessive shedding, swelling, or rapid heartbeat, pause and contact your provider immediately. You complete the treatment phase by reviewing results with your clinician and deciding whether to continue or taper. Many plans reassess after 6 to 12 months because benefits and risks change over time. Once the decision is made, follow the agreed taper schedule to avoid sudden rebound effects. If you develop leg swelling, dizziness, or rapid heart rate, stop taking the tablet and contact medical services immediately. One troubleshooting tip: if mild fluid retention appears, reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.